Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I'm just lost to feel, I need time. I can't steer the wheel, cause this driving it gives me chills. A nice road it feels, I slip off the field and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal? I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath.
तो फ्रेंड्स, कैसा लगा आपको ये वीडियो? अगर अच्छा लगा हो तो चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और पास वाले बेल आइकन को क्लिक कीजिए और बहुत ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए।
Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let